Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. Right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML layout elements and techniques. Websites often display content in multiple columns like a magazine or a newspaper. For example, as you can see this page right here, we are having header, footer, columns. So quickly, let me show you how this works. HTML layout elements. HTML has several semantic elements that define the different parts of a web page. For instance, we are having header, nav, section, aside, article, and footer. For example, here the header defines a header for a document or a section. The nav defines a set of navigation links. The section element defines a section in a document. The article element defines an independent self-contained content. Aside element defines content aside from the content, like a sidebar. The footer element defines a footer for a document or a section. The details element defines additional details that the user can open and close on demand. The summary element defines a heading for the details elements. Don't you forget, right here, as you can see, we are having what? Header element, nav element, section element, aside element, article element, and footer element. So you will learn more about semantic elements in our HTML semantics chapter. So let's quickly get going. HTML layout techniques. There are 4 different techniques to create multiple columns layouts. Each technique has its own pros and cons. For instance, we are having CSS framework, CSS float property, CSS flexbox, and CSS grid. Let me show you one document that we have created. As you can see in this example, we have created a header, 2 columns box, and a footer. As you can see, header, 2 columns box, and a footer. All these, the columns will stack on top of each other. When you will resize the screen, as you can see, you will see the effect. It's responsive. So you will learn more about this in our HTML responsive tutorial. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a